Dear team, I'm firstly very happy to share you this video 15 years of milestone hacker school in Hyderabad. So let me introduce about myself. Hi, this is Sayankat here. So my cybersecurity journey begins with CSP, which will be known as Cybersecurity Professional Course at Hyderabad Hacker School. So I decided completely transfer my career in cybersecurity. So why I choose Hacker School? So I choose Hacker School from particularly their staff, environmental, and also faculty. How they will be received, and also here the fantastic curriculum which will be going to cover in this CSP, and also like programs cover here threat intel and cyber security programs like completely QRadar and Splunk, and also here the facilities I was very incredible supporting here. So throughout 6 months of course, and key skills and also like certifications. In these key skills I was gained on hands-on experience on the threat intels and also vulnerabilities and also web applications like Linux permissions. This all will be help me to completely clear ethical hacking certification. With 125 marks I was gained 121 marks, ethical hacking version 12 exam. So job oriented skills here they have a lot of, so I give briefly how it will be going to help my career. So threat intel here understanding the attacking patterns which will be have the proactively defense and also actively monitoring, and also cyber security curriculum like QRadar Splunk will be useful a lot from the SIM monitoring and also log analysis, and network analysis is useful from as an essential network analysis of traffic which will be known as an which can be using from a SOC analyst role. So career impact. So I'm currently working as an today I'm SOC L2 working in the monitoring students also from the freelancing. Even I recommended this course from the two students. They are now placed as a SOC L1. It's professional, like completely SOC L1 professional. This program will be truly shaped my career. So what I was enjoy mostly, so I love the hands-on experience and also real-world scenarios, and continuously supporting from the staff. And hacker school was truly pointly definitely from as an my cyber security journey, and this is very wonderful opportunity to give this video from sharing about curriculum. Thank you guys. I highly recommended CSP like cyber security professional course, and it helped me to achieve my goal. Thank you.